Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to open up Antonia 2024 Collector Club, I guess number 2. I don't remember if I got the first one. And I wasn't sure I was going to get this one. When it first came out, I was like, do I need another dressage horse? But I love my colors, and this is supposed to be a color, like a pinto paint, whatever. Let's see if we can figure out what it is. Come on. Yeah. They put more packing in this time. And they're trying to get away from plastic, isn't everybody? You know, which is probably a good thing. Only, still got the plastic bag. I don't know if you can do anything about that. So let's try to get this paper off. Get off. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, she's nice. Just got Collector Club 2024. Oh, look at those eyes. Those are really nice. Be careful of the little plastic tags. So, not wobbly. That's beautiful, not wobbly. Nice face. Look at that. Nice. All right, I could probably put some dressage tack on there. English, very nice. Oh, very good for performance. So, she's lovely. She really is lovely. It's a nice one. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I got her. I know that the special ones, they usually take more, you know, time and detail with, because you're paying more than the regular runs. So I've really gotten to a point where I don't buy that many regular runs. I hold my money for the special runs. Those ears are nicely carved out. I like that she's chunky. She's not thin. It's not like she's been on a diet. Uh-oh, what's that? Might have to get out a Mr. Clean Eraser. Huh. All right, just a little black mark. Okay, I'm liking her a lot. She's lovely. All right, so that's Antonia 2024 Collector Club. Very well done, very nice mold, very nice paint job, and very well done. Yeah, I mean, there's a little issues with the masking, but you know what? It's not critical. I think she can still show in performance. She's lovely. All right. Well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.